God dang it. We got a block of wood or something?
Oh, dude, you split it right in half.
Really?
Yeah. That drive shaft is done.
That's dumb.
Dude.
Out here with Fat Tony in the middle of nowhere. Snapped a freaking drive shaft. You guys saw it if you watched the last video. Snapped it right there, rolled down the hill, hit the brakes, and stopped right where you're looking at it. This is pretty much the spot where Mater broke down last time, ironically. Every time we get in the spot, something bad happens. We just shredded this thing in half. Now we got to figure out how we're going to get home. I called my friend. He's going to try to bring the F-250 out here and see if we can tug this thing home. I got a long tow strap to where we wouldn't even be getting close as far as hitting each other. Dang, this freaking sucks, man. It was running good.
Yeah.
It was running good up until this happened. So now I got to find a new drive shaft. I got to get this thing home first. Got to figure out how we're going to tow it and somehow get it into the... It's too heavy to push.
Yeah.
How to get it back in the driveway. That's going to be a feat in its own.
You won't be able to use the handbrake, so those brakes better work.
Yeah, they better freaking work, dude. Good Lord. They work. They just little sketchy, little sketch. So now all we can do is wait. We're waiting on the F-250 as soon as it crosses the hill. We're going to try to get this thing home, just try to inch it home on this road where not a lot of people drive down, and see if we can get this home safely. So stay tuned, guys. Shouldn't be long. So we brought the angle grinder, and this blade, I don't even know if it's going to do it, but we brought this in case a brake line bursts. We brought extra brake line with us so we can cut it to length, and we brought a flare kit with us too, in case we blow a brake line. We didn't bring this to cut a freaking drive shaft up. But it just occurred to us when I'm getting pulled by the F-250, this thing's going to drag across the ground the entire time, and it's going to want to spin. So there's no way we can hold it up in the air. We just don't have any straps or anything to hold it up in the air right now. F-250, gosh dang, I don't know if the F-250 got straps in it or not. I just took it out this morning for those garage doors, put them on the trailer.
Yeah.
I just picked up the garage doors this morning for the shop. I just have to cut it, but I don't know if this blade is going to do it, man. It's already starting to... Think so?
Okay.
It's okay. The old Milwaukee feel, this thing comes in handy. Alright, watch your nuts. It's wiggling like it wants to come off.
Should go.
Almost there, dude. Think if we hit it with that mallet? Oh, sweet. Mint. So Milwaukee always comes in handy. Dude, what are the chances? We literally never take an angle grinder with us.
I don't know, I just picked it up and I was like, might as well take it. Something's gonna break or something. I don't know, we may need it.
Dude, that's crazy. We didn't bring too much tool. We brought a box of tools like crescent wrenches and stuff and some ratchets, but heck yeah, dude, I'm so glad we brought this. We brought this for brake line and ended up using it on a freaking drive shaft. I don't know what brake's cleaner, that one or that one. I don't know. F-250 should be here pretty soon.
Now the drive shaft won't bang everything under here as we're driving.
Yeah, should be a quiet ride now. The splines do look good on the front part of the drive shaft. And here is the old F-250. Here to save the freaking day. That's a beautiful truck. Beautiful sight to see when the F-250's coming to save you. Woo! Gonna get this strap hooked up. Got a long strap in this thing. By the way, shout out to EWS toolboxes, man. Their boxes are great. Boom. Appreciate it, Nick. Coming in clutch. We'll get this thing hooked up and tow it home and hopefully no time.
A little more. A little more.
we're gonna inch this thing home. Hopefully not freaking break anything else. Should be good there, should be tight there. I'll be the brakes for both the trucks. Should be good. Alrighty boys, got the F-250 dragging Fat Tony home. Not the experience we wanted on the first drive, but it happens, guys. It's part of making builds and doing projects and building trucks and doing test drives. So glad it happened in a safe area and not on a main road, because what I was gonna try to do with this truck is pick up some gravel with it and make a cool video with that, but we gotta make sure this thing's safe first, and things gonna break, we need them to break now. And that's the whole purpose of test driving a build before you just put it out there on the road and have it with cars and everything like that. So we'll get it towed home. We'll get a new drive shaft for it. I think I just looked up online. It's like 300 bucks for a drive shaft for this thing. So it kind of sucks, but I don't know, man. Fat Tony have a new drive shaft. Needs a new hood, but instead of a new hood, we got to get a new drive shaft. So it kind of sucks, but other than that, I'm really happy with how the truck performed today. Just sucks that drive shaft broke, but hey, PTO works good, the engine works strong, the gearbox, we got to service it, but all in all it works. Freaking e-brake, forgot to put the e-brake off. That's what, if you guys are wondering, that's how I tore the drive shaft up. That's my dumb mistake. It happens. If I make a fault, I'll definitely admit it, and that was my fault 100%. So it's like we're slowing down a little bit when we got a car. I don't know, he just gave me a thumbs up, maybe good. All right, I'm gonna give him a call. We're gonna get back on communications on the phone and inch this thing home. We're not too far from the house, about a mile away. All right, I'm on the brake now.
All right, I'm off the gas, so use me as a brake. Or you're the brake. We got slack. Hold up.
Hey, yeah, go slow. We're good. I didn't run it over, did I?
No,
we're
good.
I was looking. We're good. Slow, pull me forward.
We're good.
We're looking good here. All right, we're gonna bust this right here. When you start slowing down, we are.
Yeah, slow down. We're dragging.
We got a little slack here. Hold on, just go real slow. Keep this tension back.
All right, we're almost there. We got it.
All right, we got it. All right, guys, I'm gonna have my buddy Nick here hold the camera. Hopefully we don't mess anything up. We got a plan. I got safety blocks in place in case our brakes fail for whatever reason. Let's get it. Easy does it, boys. Let's see how strong you are. Go ahead and pull it on in.
Alright, come on.
Oh man, you're strong as hell.
Damn.
Oh, you should be in a strongman competition. I'm gonna pull me right to the dang house.
Good. That's a success right there.
No crashing.
That's the main thing.
Good job. Yeah. We couldn't do it without Nick. Couldn't do it without Jonathan. So we got Fat Tony here safe and sound, and that is the most important part. F-250's good. How'd the F-250 tow? Oh, Cummins, man. I'm a Cummins man guy. I'm a Cummins guy too. But that power stroke, man, I love that power stroke.
A Dodge might have been a little bit more powerful, but this thing did the job.
Oh yeah, the power stroke is very much impressive. I used to hate power strokes, but this 6.7 has been a great truck.
See that
Highly recommend it.
again, dude.
Yeah, go ahead and pop that thing out, man. Dude, destroyed. Is very light. You would think a dump truck drive shaft would be really heavy. It's very, very light. Universal joint is way heavier than the drive shaft, I'd say. But we're gonna get a new drive shaft. We're gonna get Fat Tony back on the road. It's be a great time to subscribe. You guys seen the shop in the last video, so we're not gonna show the shop every single day, but if you guys haven't seen the shop, make sure you check it out. It's coming along great and it's almost done. We're about to slap paint on the walls, so shop should be done, hopefully.
And the doors.
Oh, we just picked up the doors today, so they're on the trailer right now. We're gonna throw the doors on the shop here very soon, probably in the next couple of days, and get Fat Tony a new drive shaft ordered. Subscribe if you guys are new, smash the like button down below if you enjoyed the video. Hit those push notifications also, so a lot of people are saying they're not getting notified when these videos go up, so hit the push notifications, hit the bell, and hit all so you get all the notifications. And also subscribe to Dippin' Diesel right here for all the help he always gives me on the channel. And shout out to Nick here. Shout out to Nick for giving me help today. He's always a good buddy. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Lots of stuff happening on the channel. Mater, we'll be making a video on that truck very, very soon. Got a lot of parts. Got the engine mounts in, air dog fuel, lift pump, Mishimoto intercooler, Mishimoto radiator, and a bunch of other stuff. Full interior. The seat was released in the last video. You guys saw that in the last video. But lots of things happening with Mater, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.